Hello,
Good evening.
good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, all right. How was your day today?
My day was as usual.
Okay, nothing special.
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. No issues. Actually, your voice is coming a bit slow. Can you keep your microphone close? Yeah.
Now, ma'am.
Something? Yeah. Now it's better. Okay, all right. So I think we're meeting for the first time, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So will you please give me a short introduction of yourself?
Ma'am, my name is Arvind Kumar, and I am from Rajasthan. Right now, I am connecting in Jhunjhunu district, and I am a private teacher. That's all about me, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Wow, that's good to know about you. Should I give a short introduction of myself?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm Japneet Kaur. I'm a freelance academic writer and I'm also a language trainer. And just like you, I am also connecting from Rajasthan. Besides that, I love to read books in my free time and I love to communicate with speakers like you.
Ma'am,
Okay, perfect.
in which part, ma'am, do you live in
Like
Rajasthan?
currently I'm living in Ajmer.
Okay, okay.
Exactly. Have you been to Ajmer?
Yeah, ma'am. I I
Okay, perfect.
I have visited two times Ajmer.
Okay, I've stayed twice. You can say twice.
I stayed twice.
Yeah, in
Okay.
Ajmer. Okay, perfect. That's great. So you know what? Like I can think that you are an introvert. Are you?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure, I'm introvert.
Okay, okay. So basically, how many friends do you have? Do you often interact with people?
I have only two friends
Okay. Or
with whom
like
I can
those.
I with whom I talk.
Okay. So like they are there in the school. They are your colleagues or they are your friends or what?
No, no, ma'am. My friends, they are settled in Jaipur.
Okay, they're settled in Jaipur. Okay.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
like how often do you meet them then?
Ma'am, every month we meet
Okay,
every.
every month. Okay, okay, okay. That's good. So you know what today's topic is about fortune telling. Do you know what is fortune telling?
Yeah, ma'am. Luck, fortune, luck.
Luck telling, how to predict the future, right?
Right, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, tell me, have you heard this word astrology?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, uh, I have been there with my mother.
Where you have been?
I I went to astrologer with my mother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And what they told you about your future? Just tell me.
That time my astrologer told me that you have a government job, but I
Okay.
haven't so far. I haven't so far got a government job.
Okay. So you are the live proof that they are false people?
Yeah, ma'am. I would say they are false completely. In my case,
Okay. Okay. So like when you went with your mother, you were how many years you were old then? You were 6, you were 7, or you were 10 years old or what?
no, ma'am. 5 year ago.
Okay, you were
I
5 years ago.
Yeah. That
Okay,
time,
you were five
that time,
years old.
yeah, yeah. I was preparing about that time defense job. So because of
Okay.
that reason, we went there to ask
Okay.
defense. And
Okay.
my mother was with me, and
Hmm.
my mother forced me to get there.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
otherwise, I was not interested. And right now, I don't believe on that kind of astrologer.
Okay. So what do you believe that if you will work hard, you will get something, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. If we
Okay.
work
Okay.
hard, so definitely we will able to achieve our goal.
Correct. Correct. So what do you understand by this term astrology? Astrology का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
actually, I don't have any clue. right now.
Okay.
I can,
Okay.
I can, I knew about that, but I cannot describe you in English language because ma'am,
Okay.
it happens because because of confidence. I cannot tell you right
Okay.
now, and
Do one thing.
I think you might have seen sweating on my face.
Okay. So you're nervous.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, don't be nervous. It's okay. I'm not here to judge you. We're just here to have a conversation, right?
Yeah,
Don't be nervous. It's okay if you can't get things. It's okay. You are here to learn only, right?
right, ma'am.
Okay, do one thing. You can't say in English, now say in Hindi. We will translate it together, okay?
Okay.
Okay, speak. What were you about to speak? Who is an astrologist? What is astrology?
Should I say in Hindi?
Yeah, you can say in Hindi. आप हिंदी में बोलो, we will translate it.
हम ज्योतिष में जो वो नक्षत्र वगैरह थे वो उस हिसाब से देख के बताते हैं वो
जो कुंडली देखते हैं, right?
कुंडली देखकर वो देख
Okay.
बताते
So you know what? First of all, कुंडली को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? मैं I'm just typing down the word in the chat box. Just check this word, horoscope. See your
हैं
chat
हॉरोस्कोप
box. Horoscope. कुंडली को हम कहते हैं horoscope.
ओके मैम ओके
Okay, so you can say that astrology, what is astrology? It basically means that we study the movement of planets. तो planets होते हैं ना, उनके movement को study करते हैं कि अगर अच्छा ये planet right में है तो अच्छा होगा हमारी life में,
या
right? So it is
राइट
basically the study of movement of stars and planets to predict the future कि future में क्या होने वाला है.
ओके मैम
Okay, that is astrology when we are seeing the stars and the planets. Okay, और कुंडली अलग होती है, horoscope is different. So tell me one thing, like in your
व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कुंडली और हॉरोस्कोप
कुंडली, देर इज नो डिफरेंस. कुंडली को हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं हॉरोस्कोप. बट
ओके ओके
एस्ट्रोलॉजी एक्चुअली सीज दैट हाउ, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, you know, astrology will consider that okay, you are born in the month of July. Okay, so in the month of July this planet was in the right direction, so maybe something good will happen to you.
ओके मैम
So this is astrology. And kundali basically किस basis पे निकलती? For example, you were born on 10th of December. You were born at 10 p.m. in the night. So they will take the date and they will take the time और फिर वो कुंडली निकालते हैं. That is horoscope. Okay?
आफ्टर दे आफ्टर दैट दे प्रेडिकेट
Yeah. Not predicate. It
ओके
is predict. क्या word क्या है? Predict.
प्रेडिकेट
No, no. It is
ओके
not
प्रेडिक्ट
predicate. Predict. I'm just writing the word in the chat box. Just see the word in the chat box.
ओके मैम
Pronounce this word.
प्रिडिक्ट
Predict.
प्रिडिक्ट
हाँ,
ओके मैम
अंदाजा लगाते हैं ना कि फ्यूचर में भविष्य में क्या होगा, उसको हम बोलते हैं प्रिडिक्ट, नॉट प्रेडिकेट.
ओके
या ओके, सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस दे डू सो. So tell me one thing, like in your family, whenever there is the marriage of someone, whenever you are planning to get married, so do you consider the horoscope before
Yeah, ma'am.
marriage?
Yeah, ma'am. We go to an astrologer uh,
Hmm.
to find out advantage or disadvantage. You know,
Okay.
so and after the after the conclusion that is made by the astrologer. After that, we will fix everything. We fix everything
Oh,
like marriage, like any auspicious ceremony.
okay, okay. So tell me one thing. You just told me that you don't believe in it. So will you also consider this before getting married?
No, ma'am, I didn't consider, but my father's considered my oh there was my what is called my father's friend, my father's
Okay.
friend, and
Uh-huh.
he's a astrologer, and
Okay.
my
So your
father
father
went to
consulted him.
yeah, consulted him, and after
Okay,
that
okay,
they fixed over marriage.
okay. So okay, then they fixed your marriage, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. All right, that's great. So tell me, do you know what do you understand by this term superstition?
Superstitions, or it's type orthodox,
Orthodox का क्या मतलब है? What is the meaning of orthodox?
रूढ़िवादी.
Okay, you know exact Hindi translations. Rudiwadi.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, all
Yeah,
right.
ma'am.
But how will you explain it to me? Superstitions के लिए हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं हिंदी में अंधविश्वास.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
But
so
that is the same word I think Rudiwadi, because
क्या रूढ़ीवादी is.
old tradition uh,
Hmm,
have been running still, and they still exist in our society, and
correct,
people
correct.
they believe.
People believe in such things, right? It is not people, it is people.
People. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, so you can say orthodox basically where people are accepting from the past, जैसे आपने बोला रूढ़ीवादी. It is correct.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So tell me, do you believe in superstitions then? For example, if a black cat crosses your path, something bad will
No,
happen.
no, ma'am. I want to tell today I have faced this thing. A cat crossed my way, but I I didn't care about that. Uh, I went to my school. It doesn't matter
Okay.
for me.
You know what? The day is still left, so you should not judge it. What if
Okay,
something happens now after the session? Then
ma'am.
what if it rains heavily?
Please repeat again, ma'am.
Okay, no, no, no. I was just telling you that don't be too quick to make decision. Abhi bhi din baki, right? The day is still left. Maybe something will
Okay,
happen, right?
yeah, ma'am. It could
Exactly.
be happen.
Yeah, it could happen, not be happen. It can happen. You can say.
Okay, ma'am. It can happen.
At what time do you sleep at night?
Ma'am, I go to my bed around 10:30.
Okay, so today after this session, go to bed so that nothing happens. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I wish
Okay, all.
nothing can happen with me.
Yeah, nothing will happen. Obviously, these all are superstitions, right? There is
Yeah,
no
yeah,
sense
ma'am.
of
Yeah,
believing in this.
yeah. Ma'am, do you
Okay.
believe on this superstition?
You know what? Sometimes it happens that we don't believe in superstitions, but we still follow it. For
Yeah,
example,
ma'am.
I will tell you, my mother tells me not to cut the nails on Thursday. And I am like,
Okay,
I will do it, but then I don't do it. I don't believe in superstition, but I have to agree with my mother, right?
right, ma'am.
So, like, do you also follow such superstition when your
Yeah,
mother is
yeah,
telling
yeah,
you?
yeah, ma'am. In our society, also we are not allowed to cut nails on Thursday.
Hmm, exactly. Exact. Okay, all right. So tell me, like, are you a vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I am both.
Okay, you are both. So it is said now that we don't have to eat non-veg on Tuesdays.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, we follow this thing, and we avoid non-veg on Tuesday or Saturday.
What is the reason? Can you tell me? Because even my mother
It
tells me, I'm like, I don't know.
ma'am, it is a day of our goddess like
Okay, it is a day of a
Balaji,
goddess. Yeah, yeah.
Hanumanji. You know.
Okay, okay. Lord Hanuman, right? So we have to
Yeah,
preach that God.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Even I have heard, and that is why. But you know what? It doesn't matter. I eat like the 7 days a week. I eat whenever I want to. I don't believe in such superstitions.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, all right. So you know what? Now let's play a quick game. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
The game is this or that. I will give you two options. You have to choose one and state me the reason why.
Okay, ma'am. I
Okay,
will try.
perfect. So for your first option is hot weather or cold weather. Which one would you prefer?
Which weather should I prefer?
Yeah,
Would I
you
prefer?
like hot
I
weather or you like cold weather?
I like winter,
Okay, why winters?
because in winter we get enough sweets and
Oh wow.
hot food. Okay,
Okay,
so
you're a
there
foodie, right?
and yeah, ma'am, I am foodie, and in winter we get you know uh, we can wear clothes. Okay, if we talk about in summer season, so I think you know very well that we are living in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan in my area it is totally hotty. So We have to
Obviously,
so
yes.
we have to only manage with carefree and t-shirt. So
I know the heat in Rajasthan is on the next
yeah,
level.
yeah, ma'am. So that's why. So this is the reason, and we can go outside. We can go outside to walk. And if we talk about in summer season, so we cannot go outside because it's all that time heat outside. And whenever we go, we have to go. So that time we go. Before going, we have to wear a cloth over. We have to cover our
We have
face
to cover
with
our face, yes.
cotton clothes, and after that
Okay.
we have to go on bike and on foot
By foot, not on foot, we say by foot.
by foot.
Correct, correct. All right. That's why winters are better. I agree. Because if you're living in Rajasthan, winter is much better.
Yeah,
Okay, all right. So your next option is audiobook or ebook. Which one would you prefer?
ebook.
Why?
Ma'am, in this case I don't have any clue, but I like reading. So that time so for this I would say I like read ebook. And ma'am, whenever I I read the Hindu, and for that I download e-Hindu newspaper. So, and I don't know, but I became habitual of e-PDF.
Okay, okay. So you don't like to listen to things, audiobooks, you can't listen?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. But I
Okay,
listen
okay.
English podcast, and
Okay,
I
okay.
watch English movie. So that time,
Hmm.
because of watching English movie, I am having what we call, हमें अच्छा लगता है ये मूवी
Okay,
देखना.
I like to read. I like to read books or watch movies.
So that time I listen.
Okay, okay, perfect. That's great. So your next option is would you like to live in a house or in an apartment?
Ma'am, I like to live in a house.
I would like to. I would like to live in a house.
In a house.
Why? Why not apartment?
Because, ma'am, in a apartment, 2 years ago, I lived in Jaipur by taking
Okay.
a apartment at the top of. So that moment, I couldn't go. You know, I had to live only in a room. There were two rooms, including a kitchen, and and it was located at the top of. Okay, so and we
Top
have to
floor,
use,
top floor.
uh, yeah, ma'am, top floor. So we had to use that time lift to
Lift.
go uh, go down and go up. So that's why. And ma'am, in house we get enough space. So
Correct. Yes.
ma'am,
Okay,
this
okay, I
is
got
the
it.
only thing that I know about it.
Okay. Okay, okay. So you are right now living in a house only, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay, perfect. That's great. So your
And ma'am,
next option is
and ma'am, apartment there is no one to discuss. There is no one to help.
okay. But you know what? In an apartment, so many people are living together on different floors. They can
Yeah,
help each other, right?
ma'am. But if we talk about in city areas, there are not interested to talk with you.
Oh yeah. Cities like Jaipur, Delhi, people are not interested in communicating with each
Yeah,
other, right?
right, ma'am.
Correct, correct. You are right. Okay, all right. So like what I noticed throughout the session is one thing you have to improve is first of all tell me how many vowels are there in English?
Five.
Yeah, A E I O U, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So you have to use the article an. You will say I am living in an apartment. You are saying a apartment. You have to say an.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, I am an introvert, I am an extrovert. You have to use the article an.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and the next thing is you have to focus on your pronunciation. First of all, tell me what is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Marwadi.
Marwadi. Okay, so you know what, because you are saying people, one thing, it is people.
People.
Okay, next you are saying also, it is also a sound, also, always.
Okay.
है ना?
Also.
Also, always, a sound पे फोकस करना है, p sound पे. People, always.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, these are the two things. And sometimes what I feel is that you can't translate the Hindi sentence into English because you're struggling, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. It is my struggling
The only
phase.
Exactly, the only reason is that you're not communicating in English on a daily basis, right? Because you don't have the environment at your home.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's okay. So you are teaching which subject in the school?
Ma'am, I teach SST.
In English only?
Yeah, ma'am. In English, I teach in English medium school, so that's why I have to teach in
Exactly.
English language.
Okay, okay, that's good. So okay, so now you know what, you are yourself a teacher. You have to leave a good impression on your students, right? So what you have to do is step by step start to improve your English. Step number one is you have to read something on a daily basis.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you are reading the SST books in English, very good. But whenever any new word comes across, just underline that word. Try to Google that word because आपको बच्चों को भी समझाना है. You have to
Yeah,
explain that word to the students also. Okay, so try to like search that word, search the meaning, and try to use it in the vocabulary. The only thing is जो आप words पढ़ रहे हो आपको use भी करने हैं, because if you are not using, they will not benefit you.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, you have to be very very consistent. आपको होना है कि okay, I want to learn English and I will do my best.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, try to replace the ordinary words with synonyms. Do you know what are synonyms?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Ravati.
Okay, for example, tell me a synonym of the word original.
Original, genuine,
Genuine. It is not genuine, it is genuine.
genuine. Okay,
Genuine. Gen. I'm just writing down the spelling in the chat box, you can just
okay.
see. Genuine.
Gen-
Huh. So have you heard this word authentic?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, authentic.
Okay, so original means authentic only, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so just like that, you have to find synonyms of the ordinary words which you are using. And I think as we are talking more, you are using more words which you're pronouncing incorrectly. Sit with a
Okay,
pen and a paper during the sessions, and whatever words I or any other tutor is telling you, just write down those words and revise it after the session.
okay. And ma'am, may I know one more thing that ma'am, what is the important thing from that I can remove my hesitation? I know, ma'am. I
Okay.
know. I can understand English language. I can understand English movie, but and I know how to speak. But when while making session while on the call, I became nervous.
Okay,
So
you know what?
how can I deal with the
You become nervous because you have that thing that people will judge you. You are
yeah
scared.
yeah ma'am
है ना, सो यू हैव टू रिमूव दैट फियर फ्रॉम योर माइंड. आपको वो डर हटाना है कि नो मैटर व्हाट पीपल थिंक, आई विल डू माय बेस्ट.
yeah
एंड अनलेस यू डोंट रिमूव दिस फियर ना, नथिंग कैन हेल्प यू, नो वन कैन हेल्प यू. आप कितनी भी मोटिवेशनल स्पीचेस सुन लो, नहीं हेल्प होएगी इससे. यू हैव टू
yeah
फिक्स योर माइंड दैट ओके, नो मैटर व्हाट पीपल से, आई विल डू माय बेस्ट.
okay ma'am
ओके, दिस हैज टू कम फ्रॉम विद इन ओनली. ये आपके अंदर से आना चाहिए. भले ही आई विल एडवाइस यू, आई विल सजेस्ट यू, बट जब तक अंदर से आवाज नहीं आएगी ना, नो वन कैन हेल्प यू.
yeah ma'am yeah
Okay, just realize your inner voices, try to recognize them and stop thinking what people will think. It's okay, you are learning, and you're only right now you're communicating with so many tutors, so slowly try to gain that confidence. And whenever you're talking with any of your friend in English, it's okay if you make mistakes, don't feel embarrassed. Okay,
okay. Ma'am,
you at least.
should I take one or two session in a day to avoid my hesitation? in a day?
Okay, so
Or
you okay
do you think
according
that it will work in my case or not?
okay, what I feel is that if you will take two sessions in one day, it can help you because at least for 1 hour you are speaking continuously, and then that
Okay.
conversation will go inside your mind. You will try to improve and correct yourself. So maybe I think it can help you. Do one thing, for 2 to 3 days, try this thing and try to like notice what improvements you are getting. And then if you
Okay.
are getting good improvements, continue with this thing.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I will
Okay,
try
try
now.
to experiment.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, all right. Thank you so much for the session.
Bye bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you. Good night. Okay, good night. Bye.